Hey guys, this is Mama May. So today I'm going to go ahead and review this Betty Crocker Brittle mix. So I got this in the mail. They had like some type of samples running, some sample program, and I signed up and I actually got this and another one. I can't remember what it was. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a little review video on this. So all you need is this package and then a stick of softened butter. Super easy instructions, so let's go ahead and give this a try. So you just leave your butter sitting out for about an hour on the counter and then blend it with the dry mix to make a dough form. And honestly, this wasn't working too well. It did say on the package that you can use your hands, and I would definitely just maybe start off using your spoon, but using my hands definitely worked a whole lot better to get a nice combined soft dough to form. So once you have your dough ready, go ahead and press it onto a cookie sheet in a 11 by 12 inch rectangle. It did say ungreased, but I went ahead and just used parchment paper to save myself the mess of cleanup and to eliminate the risk of any possible sticking. So just press from the center out to get your rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect because it will spread a little bit as it bakes. But I think maybe if you press it a little bit thinner than what I didn't exactly measure it, but mine was still chewy in the center. So just try to press it out as thin as you can. And I would try not to let it touch the side of your pan also, because then it would probably stick when you go to remove it. I baked mine at 350 for about 17 minutes or so. Remove once it's golden brown on the top. Then you want to let it completely cool for about 30 minutes before you even try to break it. Honestly, if you want a thin crust cookie cake, this could be an option for you, because honestly, that's what it reminded me of. But you definitely want to let it sit, because if you try to break it apart, it's just going to tear if it's still warm. So I should have probably baked it even longer. I mean, I even went over the directions. It wasn't like super golden brown except for on the edges, but I was afraid the bottom was going to get burnt, so I took it out probably a little earlier than what it was supposed to, but it still turned out to be pretty tasty. Then you want to just go ahead and start breaking it into pieces like you do when you make normal brittle. You can have big pieces and small pieces. That way, if you have somebody that wants a big piece, or if you just want a small piece to try it. You just go ahead and break it up and then store it in an airtight container. We still have some, so it's lasted about 2 days. It'll probably be gone today or tomorrow. So my overall review of this product was it's pretty good. I don't know if I would go as far as calling it a brittle though. When you think of brittle being like a crunchy candy type, this was more just like an extra crispy cookie, in my opinion. Good concept, but if you're thinking like brittle, not quite. This is definitely more of just you could take cookie dough and just spread it out and it would be the same thing. But anyway, guys, pretty good. And yeah, I don't know if I'd ever buy this product, but I could definitely make my own if I desired to do so.